I am Mihir Joshi. I head investment at GVFL. I have been there for last 22 years and I have seen a complete life cycle on a successive basis. GVFL is one of the most experienced venture capital firm in India.
I am Kamal Bansal. I am Managing Director of GVFL. I have joined this company in July 2022. GVFL as an investor has been early stage investor since its inception.
We invest in startup, and when we talk about the startup or startup founder, they work on innovation, newer business model, differentiated business model.
So what we look at the enterprise when it already has a product market fit, proof of concept is ready. Apart from that, we look at the promoter ability, its commitment to the company. More than that, what kind of capital it will require, what kind of time it will require to scale up. So these are the aspects which we look into before we invest in the company.
And hence, at idea level or at early stage level, there is a risk. The startup founders have never walked on the journey, or it's an uncharted path for them. So besides capital, they also look for the strategic advice, mentorship, hand-holding, support and other things. So over a period of 3 decades, we floated 9 funds and invested in more than 100 startups.
We always have been the first investor, first VC fund or first institutional investor in our startups. So we have to go by our conviction. Once our conviction is successful, then our company attract investment from bigger VC funds. And that has been the case in many of our companies.
It is a specialization. GVFL has been in this business for last many years. We floated 9 funds. We have come across 1,000 entrepreneurs every year. So naturally, we have ability to pick the right entrepreneur and partner with them and provide the capital. And it's not that easy. From idea stage to scaling up, it requires the focus, it requires energy, it requires the execution, it requires building, it requires so many things.
GVFL is well connected to all the incubators and accelerators across the country. As a VC fund, as a seed level investor, we will be connecting with many new investors, many funds, micro VCs, where we will jointly put money into these companies. So overall, what we see is a very good deal flow in a variety of areas like agri-tech, FinTech, EdTech, health tech, deep tech, space tech. So many areas we are looking at deals. And the founders are now amazing. The kind of, they have proved their ability to create successful enterprise in the environment.
The success from idea stage to scaling up and creating a larger businesses have impacted lives of many of the people. It created a value for the startup founder, employees, various stakeholders and GVFL. Due to favorable policies of the government, India has become the startup capital in the world. Many of the young entrepreneurs, professionals from the job who are okay to quit the job. The mindset is now we will be the job giver, not the job seeker.
We hope to partner with 25 to 30 such startups across the country in at least next 1 year. And then we'll also share these deals with our fellow investors, fellow VC fund, angel investors, and pool the money to take them to the next level. So that is our future plan for next year.
I'm sure with our experience and with our ability to assess the companies, we will make a difference and we will see the difference.